Writing a clinical evaluation report is a highly technical and demanding task. It calls for a whole range of different skills, including the ability to interpret clinical evidence at a high level and perform technical medical writing in order to meet requirements. Despite these challenges, one of the biggest problems that people face in writing a CER is that of structure. What do you include? What order should the different sections be in? These are problems that are faced across the industry, and for that reason people often reach towards CER templates in order to ensure that their document will meet requirements. Here's the issue though, not all forms of templates and guidance are equal. Even the official guidelines are somewhat lacking in many ways. So the MedDev guideline, which has not yet been updated to reflect changes introduced by the MDR, is perhaps the most comprehensive official guidance available. But given that it hasn't been updated, you can't rely on the MedDev guideline alone in order to ensure that you meet requirements. Similarly, the MDCG guidelines, which have been updated in many cases to reflect changes introduced by the MDR, deal only with specific areas, and you won't find an MDCG guideline which covers the whole process of clinical evaluation. So people often look to unofficial templates or guidance documents, and there are many out there on the market, but they're certainly not all equal. In this video, we're going to talk through what to look for in a good CER template. First of all, if you choose to use a template, you need to ensure that it's comprehensive and that it covers all aspects of CERs under the MDR. Linked to that is a need for it to be up to date. Requirements change, they're not static, and so using a recently updated template will ensure that the source you're relying upon is up to scratch. Thirdly, it needs to be flexible. So you're asking a template to be relevant to your specific product. Not all of them will do that. So you need a good quality template that has enough flexibility to cover devices in the broadest sense. Fourthly, it needs to give line-by-line guidance. A lot of templates give general advice, but leave the reader or the user still feeling uncertain as to exactly what's required. And finally, it should give advice on writing style as well as content. This is technical medical writing, so the use of examples and sample text will go a long way towards giving the writer certainty to exactly how to phrase things. Using a template can be a really good way to ensure that your CERs are up to the required standard. But choose the template carefully and ensure it meets the requirements in this video and on this page. So hopefully you'll find this useful, and remember that Mantra Systems offers a wide range of support in terms of clinical evaluation, from free advice through to our unique 57-page template, all the way through to a full writing service. So if you need any help or you have any questions, please feel free to contact a member of our team.